Welcome back. Once you have a stellar topic sentence, you're ready to fill the rest of your body paragraph with supporting details. Let's analyze our example paragraph from last time to see what exactly these supporting details should look like. Looking at this paragraph, I see several specific facts or statistics that support the paragraph's main idea. These facts work as pieces of evidence that help prove or support your topic sentence. Evidence could also be specific examples or quotes from a book or research source. But notice that the paragraph is not just a bulleted list of facts used as evidence. Before and after each quote or example or statistic, we have sentences that set up a piece of evidence, that make connections between two pieces of evidence, or that analyze what a piece of evidence means. This explanation and analysis is important because without it, your paragraph feels like a thoughtless list of facts. So when you're writing a body paragraph, it's all about the evidence. For any body paragraph, you should use multiple pieces of evidence to support the topic sentence, set up the evidence by explaining its context or where it came from, make clear connections between pieces of evidence, and analyze your evidence to explain what it means or what it proves. On the topic of evidence, I want to make a point about organization. The possibilities for how you could organize details in your body paragraph are almost endless, but that does not mean it can be random. To see what I mean, let's analyze a couple paragraphs from a SparkNotes article on World War II. Disclaimer. While I certainly do not advocate reading SparkNotes instead of reading the information you're required to read in class, it can be a good source for helping you understand a historical concept or piece of literature better. Also, their writers are quite good at what they do, so we might as well learn from them. Here, they have an article comparing the roles of Germany and Japan in World War II. Each paragraph has a clear topic sentence followed by carefully organized evidence and explanations. This paragraph's topic sentence says, both Germany and Japan engaged in large-scale territorial conquests in the years leading up to World War II. Then there's a section of evidence about Germany's territorial conquests, followed by a section about Japanese territorial expansion. Next paragraph. This paragraph's topic sentence says, also, Japan's economic problems were far more severe than Germany's. Then, once again, we have a section detailing the economic difficulties in Germany, followed by the same concept for Japan. See, there's nothing random here. These two paragraphs both follow a compare-contrast organizational structure. In another section, we have a paragraph about new military technology during the war. World War II saw the new application of many new technologies by military forces on all sides of the conflict, and some of them had a profound impact on the war. The following details here are organized in order of significance or importance. The most impactful new technologies, airplanes and aircraft carriers, are discussed first. Then we have details about radar use, and finally, a bit about missile technology that wasn't finished in time to have a significant impact on the war. There are a lot of different ways you could organize details in your essay. Compare and contrast, cause and effect, order of significance. This could go from least important to most important, or most important to least important. Chronological order, organized by time or dates, etc. So, there are no rules about what kind of organizational structure you should use. As long as you've thought about it and carefully chosen a structure that makes sense to you, then you should be fine. Let's review. When it comes to evidence, which makes up the core of any body paragraph, these are the guidelines you should generally follow. Use multiple pieces of evidence to support the topic sentence. Set up the evidence by explaining its context or where it came from. Make clear connections between pieces of evidence. Analyze your evidence and explain what it means or what it proves. And organize your evidence and explanations in a way that makes sense. You ready to work on some body paragraphs? Let's get to work.